Namaskar, I'm Dr. Ipshita Johari. I'm a dermatologist and I'm the founder and medical director of Skinfinity Derma, Skin, Hair and Laser Clinic. Today I'm going to do a homemade facial from all the organic ingredients grown from my kitchen garden. Let me share the recipe with you. For the step 1 of cleansing, I have raw milk. Then for the number 2 part, that is the scrubbing, I have oats. I have haldi. The haldi, that is turmeric, is grown in my own kitchen and it is grinded after drying, and I use only organic homemade haldi whenever it has to be applied on the face. Make sure that never use any chemical or packet haldi on the face to avoid any chemical reaction. Another thing is curd and fresh aloe vera juice. So let's begin. So the step 1 is raw milk. So I'm just going to take a cotton swab, apply raw milk on my face. Raw milk has lactic acid and this is a brilliant cleanser when it comes to removing the dead skin. All you have to do is just apply the raw milk with a cotton swab with circular motions on your face. Make sure that you don't forget your neck whenever you're doing any kind of skincare. The lactic acid in the raw milk actually removes all the dead skin. It makes your dead epidermal cells to come out, and very slowly you can just remove the dead skin. It's also good for the under eye area. If you have very dry skin, dull skin in the under eye area, make sure that you apply this properly. Also the perioral darkness, that is darkness around the lips, it's covered by the raw milk. So once you have applied the raw milk, you just have to wait for 2 minutes for it to just loosen up your dead cells so that you can remove those dead cells and clear your skin. So I've already waited for 2 minutes and now I'm going to clear out the dead skin that has been loosened up by use of lactic acid in the raw milk. So I'll take a plain gauze and I'll just slowly and gradually wipe off the raw milk. You will see that with the raw milk, a lot of dirt and dust will come out of your skin. People who get a lot of blackheads, whiteheads or acne can actually benefit from this. Make sure that you always wipe your neck in upward direction. Okay, so the white gauze has almost turned light brown in spite of me washing my face before the facial. So that tells us that how good raw milk is to remove the clogged pores and the dead skin which is stuck on your face. Now once my face is clean, I'm going to scrub it to remove the extra clogged pores which has dirt, dust, bacteria and dead skin. So for the scrub, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take curd. So this is homemade curd in which I'm going to add oats. This is raw oats and it's not powdered because I need good consistency for my scrub. So I'm going to add equal amount of oats and curd. In this, I'm going to add just a pinch of haldi. The haldi is very, very pure. It smells wonderful. I'm just going to mix it now. So my scrub is ready, which I'm just going to apply on my skin now. So I've washed my face now after keeping the mask for 5 minutes and massaging it for 5 minutes. You can use the scrub for up to 15 minutes if you don't have any irritation on the skin. After applying the mask, if you get any kind of irritation or tingling, then it's time to wash the mask with the cold water. Now we are completed with the 2 steps, that is cleansing and scrub. The face will be looking very, very clean by now, and now it's the time to apply a proper good skin lightening mask that works wonders on the skin. So for this I have 2 ingredients. The first thing is my fresh aloe vera juice in which I'm going to mix mulethi powder. So almost equal quantities of mulethi and aloe vera have to be added. So we make a fine paste out of aloe vera and mulethi powder. If you have very dry skin, you can also use honey because honey is very soothing. So you can add honey, aloe vera and mulethi powder for dry skin. If you have very oily skin, if you're getting acne, then you can also add a pinch of turmeric in this paste. So my favorite is plain aloe vera, fresh aloe vera and mulethi. Mulethi is licorice, which is a very good skin lightening agent. So people who have tanning or who are looking for a skin whitening or lightening treatment, they should definitely try this, and you can even apply this mask on full body. Aloe vera, we all know, is very soothing to the skin, and aloe vera also has antibacterial properties which takes care of the acne on your skin and the pimples. So I have made the mask and I'm going to apply it on my skin now. So I've applied the mask and I'm going to let it be for around 20 minutes and then wash it out. So guys, try this facial and please tell me how the result is.